What's up, crypto traders? Patrick here. I activated a new bot today from the profits. I ended up not using it. Like, if you've been watching my videos, we were gonna use some of that profit to go for a family vacation. On a family vacation right now, and activated this bot right here, NET VR with USDT, and so made a trade already. Um, it bought, and so now it'll look to sell when it gets higher, but it'll keep buying as it goes down and up as well. So that's the play, is NETVR USDT, and give it about a $3,000 budget. And that's what I'm doing with all of these bots that I got here. And the new balance is at $153. When this hits another $3,000 in profits, we're going to go ahead and activate another bot, right? So that's what we're going to do. Also added some coins to my portfolio, just kind of let you guys see with my MetaMask. This is the Ethereum in part of the MetaMask. So in doing these things, just putting a little bit of like gambling money in these coins. So thing, Prime, Beam, GPU, Sidus, Super, and Index. Hey, son. Yeah, okay. All right. So that's my son saying time to go. But I just wanted to show you my portfolio and that we compounded our money. What, my baby? Okay, let's do it. All right. We'll see you guys.